To place an order for any Smith & Warren product, the best way is to request a quote through VisualBadge, located right here at smithwarren.com. Click the link located at the top of the website to get started. VisualBadge has over 1,500 badge models and a wide variety of insignia and other products that you can personalize online. When you find the badge or product you want, simply design it on our website with VisualBadge, add it to the quote cart, and request a quote. A member of our team will review the quote request and assign it to one of our authorized dealers. Within one business day, the dealer will provide you with a final quote inclusive of shipping, sales tax, and quantity discounts if applicable. The same process applies to international customers. If you need to place an order for delivery outside of the United States, we will assign your quote request to a dealer that can ship to your country. If you already have a Smith & Warren dealer that you work with, you can ask us to send the quote request to them. When you fill out the quote request form, just put their name in the preferred dealer box and we will send the request to them directly. If you are placing an order on behalf of the U.S. government, including the military, you can still use our request a quote feature. We will assign your quote request to our government sales department, who will then reach out to you. If you don't see the product you're looking for on our website, or if you have any questions that we haven't covered, send us a message and we will be happy to help.